how to lock your Facebook profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can lock your Facebook profile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to lock your profile on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook app and just make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you're signed in, just tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and then you will see this type of interface. Now once you come here to this page, you're going to see this interface. Then what you need to do is just simply tap on the three dots option from here. Once you tap on the three dots option, you'll find this little option that says lock profile. So what you can do is just simply tap on the lock profile option here, and as you do that, you can tap on the lock your profile option to lock them. That's all it takes to lock your Facebook profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.